So check it out. Here's another one of my fixer-uppers I was able to find on eBay. I got it for a pretty decent price because it had some issues with it. These were made from the Mark's 1998 mold. It's made by K-Line. It's the Christmas one. So these seem to be a little more highly sought after. This one was missing. The coupler, the knuckle was gone. I was able to take the knuckle out of another K-Line coupler and pop that in there along with a little rivet. And I was missing the handrail, which I had an extra one. The headlight was missing that little insert. So I put a 19-volt 5mm LED, which fits perfectly in there. And I used a Mark's Reproduction 1998 horn. Because a lot of these, for whatever reason, K-Line put the hole there, but they never put a horn insert. So I popped that in as well. Touched up the frame a little bit. I was able to, there were some pieces up here that needed to be touched up. I was able to mix up some paint and match that pretty good. So I think I got it looking really nice. Another thing that I added was some of the S2s that I bought this spring from a collection. The customizer had kind of framed this in with a little piece of styrene. So I used his as a pattern, and I did that with mine. I kind of like the looks of it because K-Line left it kind of open, so I kind of like the little closed-in feature there. So we'll take it for a spin. You can check it out. Here we go. The LED looks so much nicer than what K-Line did. You can see there's a little Santa Claus in the cab window. So later on this year I'll add some Christmas cars to it. But it runs pretty good. I'll put the missing roller pickup in. That certainly helped it quite a lot. And you can kind of pick the camera up a little bit and follow it around. These little engines are pretty decent pullers. K-Line put dual motors in them, and there's traction tires. And we'll set the camera back down now. Hopefully not move around too much. Alright, I think it's a pretty little engine, and I was glad I was able to finally get my hands on one and touch it up. It didn't need a whole lot of work, and it still looks pretty decent. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.